we're going to show you the desktop app. And the desktop app is an amazing piece of technology that the team created. It's right up here at the top. You can click the little D symbol up here. You can go right to the quick view menu. And when you do here, it's going to show you all your options within the desktop app. Now, the first one I'm going to click on is going to be record screen. So when I click on record screen, it's going to open up the components and I'll show you the similarities to the Chrome and then give you the differences. So here's the desktop app little menu thing here. We're going to open this up. We're going to show our annotation tool. This is the same as the Chrome. And then we're going to say, hey, where's our webcams? Right here. Same functionality. You can zoom in, do all the stuff that we looked at before. You're going to have a teleprompter up here at the top, similar to the Chrome. You can move it around wherever you'd like to. And then
Wow.
down here at the bottom, there is a red slash through this square here. So if I was to hit the record button right now, I'll be getting my entire computer screen. But if I get rid of the red slash, now I got a little drop down menu here. And I can do custom, which means I can crop around anything I want to crop around, like this. So if I have a website or a document or anything I want to show, I have the ability to really control the border of what I'm recording. And if I'm inside here, I'm part of the video. If I'm not part of it. And I can also turn my webcam off. You also have down here landscape, so YouTube orientation. You also have portrait. So I can do a social video right from my desktop app, just crunch your browser or throw this over the top of anything you want to record. And when I hit record here, here's a major difference between Chrome and desktop. When I'm recording, this is going to be clip recording. So I'm going to hit the check mark down here, and now I've just recorded a clip. The desktop app is a clip recorder, and it gives you the ability to drag and drop videos from your computer. You have an MP4 saved in there, you can drop it right in. You also can continue recording down here with these three options. You can continue with screen recording. This is right here. Click this here. It brings me right back to where I was. I hit record, and now I'm just recording another clip. It's like I'm building little scenes of the movie for the movie. And then I'm going to hit the check mark, and there it is. And these clips can physically be moved around however order you want to put them in. You also can click the webcam. So if I click this here, hit record, maybe this is my opening. Maybe this is my ending. Maybe this is just a different style of video that I want to record. And here we go. And again, you can move it wherever you want to. The last one here is Dubb Narrator. This is if you want to play a pre-recorded video inside of a bubble. So maybe you don't want to be live when you're doing it. So you just choose a video from your video library, put it right in here, and now I am a pre-recorded version of myself. And all I have to do is hit record and just relax and scroll. The Dubb Outlook add-in is a shortcut that allows users to share their videos. So then I can just save that, and now that's part of the story.
Wow.
Done recording on here, when you want to combine all of these clips together into one video, all you have to do is click the edit button to the right. It's going to merge all our clips together. You can do a quick little edit over here, and you can also use Smart Cut. This is the addition we added to the desktop app where if you want to get rid of the gaps of sound in here, see the pink areas? You can get rid of those, and they'll just kind of tie everything together if you want to get rid of the pauses in there. And then you can download a copy to your phone, I mean to your computer, and then you can upload it into Dubb, the finished video. So the desktop app, pretty nuanced, clip recording, really neat. Chrome's great for those quick videos.